In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and update contacts in Outlook. If you need to correct someone's information, add new details, or simply keep your contact list organized, Outlook makes that process quick and straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to open an existing contact, make changes, and save the updated information so everything stays current. To begin, go to the People section in Outlook. This is where your saved contacts are stored and managed. If you're already signed into Outlook, navigating to People gives you a full view of the contacts in your account, making it easy to search, browse, and update the person you need. Once you're in the People area, click on the contact you want to update. Selecting the contact will open their profile so you can review the information currently saved. This is a good time to quickly check that you've chosen the right person before making any edits, especially if you have multiple contacts with similar names. Next, click on Edit. This opens the contact in editing mode and allows you to change the saved information. From here, you can update their details as needed. For example, you might correct a spelling mistake, change a job title, add a new phone number, update an email address, or revise any other contact information that is no longer accurate. As you edit the details, take a moment to make sure everything is entered correctly. Keeping contact records clean and up to date can help avoid confusion later, especially if you use Outlook regularly for email, scheduling, or professional communication. Small updates now can save time when you need to reach someone quickly. After you've finished making your changes, click Save. This confirms the updates and stores the new information in your Outlook contacts list. Once saved, the revised contact details will be available the next time you need them. And that's it. To edit and update contacts in Outlook, just open People, select the contact, choose Edit, make your changes, and click Save. It's a simple process, but it's a useful one for keeping your address book accurate and organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.